What's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you guys a look at this electronic pain reliever. As we go ahead and open this thing up, right on top we have a muscle stimulator user manual. Right here you can increase or decrease the intensity of the A channel. Here you can increase or decrease the intensity of the B channel. On or off button right here. It's also a timer button, so if the power's turned on, you short press it to turn on timer. You can set that from 10 to 90 minutes. On the bottom, you've also got a USB-C port for charging. I'm sure this will be pretty easy to get the hang of. Looks like these are the actual electrodes themselves. Here you've got the pads that you can plug these metal parts into. And then here you've got smaller circular pads, really long pads. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out with these. That right there, you peel it off. Wow, that's nice and sticky. And you can tell it's that reusable kind of adhesive. It's gonna stick to your skin nice and easily. And look at that, easily peel it off. They actually give you a figure of the human body here. And it tells you what each of the different groups of the body are for acupuncture treatment points. And then there's a nice carry bag right there. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into a slot. So that slides in there nice and easily. I'm gonna short press to turn this thing on. Start low for sure. I have it at 15 right now. Let's go ahead and... That was on TENS, now we're on EMS. A lot more relaxing. You can adjust that a little bit higher. Now I'm on massage mode. So it's very subtle when you first get up there, but remember there's 40 different modes. It'll definitely feel a little bit weird afterwards. So overall, if you're looking for something like this to help relieve muscle pain, or to just have a massage on maybe different parts of your body after you've done workouts in those areas, I can highly recommend this to you. This is quite simple to use actually, and it comes with lots of different pads, lots of different options for use.